little Honda Ruckus. That's dope. Oh, there's a dog in the back of that thing. Nice. I like the dog back there. That's funny. The fact that that guy had a dog in his backpack. Oh man, that's so funny. That dog must be having the time of his life back there. That's awesome. Okay. That is, that's something else right there. Guy talking to his big teddy bear. Alright. Don't see that every day. Pulling up to the Crescent Heights, and apparently it's actually closed up here. It sounds like the fact that a bunch of people were up here hanging out on the steps on the road totally ruined it for everybody, because now no one is actually even allowed to come up here. It's closed. And the lockdown, Operation Gridlock. What? Wow. Idiots. Idiots, bro. How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good, good. Nice day for a ride.
Perfect.
Might as well make the most of it, right? Is this, how long have you been out for this year?
I got out first time about 3 or 4 weeks ago.
Okay, yeah. That thing's quick. What is that thing?
It's an FZ1, so it's the Yamaha R1 engine.
Okay. Dang. Man, seeing people everywhere. Oh. Oh my God, dude. Wow. I think that guy just cut in from the outside lane to turn left and almost hit this guy. Oh my God. Yo, look at that thing, dude. That is sick. That's cool. What is this thing?
Hey!
Nice 300.
Nice 300.
I think I saw you a few days ago turn here and I'm like, hey, 300. Nice.
My daughter's training bike, eh?
Yeah? It's a good bike.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Hell yeah, 300 gained. That's who I saw like a few days ago. That's hilarious. That's awesome.